Hi, a yummy oats recipe for weight loss. Oats, as we all know, is extremely nutritious. It helps in lowering our cholesterol, controlling our blood sugar, helps in weight loss. In spite of all this knowledge, we shy away from having oats with milk in the morning. I understand. Namaskara. I'm Parimala Jaggesh, the founder and director of Allergic Nutrition. ಇದೇ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಲಿಂಕ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕ್ರಿಪ್ಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿದೆ, ಚೆಕ್ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ನ್ಯೂಟ್ರಿಷಿಯಸ್, ಡೆಲಿಷಿಯಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಈಸಿ ಟು ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಮಸಾಲಾ ಓಟ್ಸ್ ರೆಸಿಪಿ ಫಾರ್ ಯು. The ingredients list is shared above. Into a pan, I added a teaspoon of oil and a teaspoon of mustard seeds. Popped in a few curry leaves, Bengal gram, black gram, and sauteed it till it were light brown. I added in finely chopped onions. I used almost a cup of onions and green chilies according to your taste. Stir fried it till it was translucent and light brown. To this, I added a cup of sliced tomatoes. Now the vegetables I'm going to add into this is whatever is available at home. Today, I added carrots, capsicum, boiled and diced potato and Kabuli chana or chickpeas. To this, a teaspoon of roasted peanuts. Next, I added 1 cup of instant oats. Now I'm not adding any water to it, just stir frying it. To this, to impart a little color, I'm adding in half a teaspoon of turmeric powder and salt according to taste. I'm not adding any water to this. I'm just reducing the flame, covering up the pan and allowing the vegetables and the flavors to get mixed with the oats. And after 3 to 4 minutes, when you check out your oats recipe, yummy! This is how it is. I switched off the flame, added finely chopped coriander and also half a lime to impart tanginess to our oats masala. What a filling, tasty, nutritious breakfast recipe, and the beauty is it's all under 5 minutes. Try it out. Do let me know how your recipe came out. Also do remember, we are here for any health queries if you're looking out for personalized diet counseling. My company, Allergic Nutrition's contact details for you. Do message us and we will reach out. Thank you. Stay healthy, stay happy.